Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 1. The National Weather Service in Wakefield has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Northampton County, Virginia, southern Accomack County in southeastern Virginia until 8:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles west of Uncompahgre near Nassau Docks to near Cape Charles, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Severe thunderstorms will be near Exmoor and Nassau Docks around 8:05 p.m. Uncompahgre, Audley and Willis Wharf around 8:10 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Simpkins, Accomack, Wardtown, Franktown, Harborton, Painter, Smith Beach, Pungoteek, Melton, and Locustville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please send your reports of hail and or wind damage, including trees or large limbs downed, by calling NOAA's National Weather Service in Wakefield at 757-899-2415. The National Weather Service has issued